Give me a little thumbs up if you're ready to move on. We're gonna go to our next set. It's gonna get a little bit more difficult, and the questions now have to do with ratios. So I'm gonna give you a little taste of what we can expect to learn involving ratios. And like I said, that's the most important concept. All right, this is number 3 and 4. I'm gonna give you 5 minutes. I think that's fair. And stop working. All right, guys, chat me your answer to the first one. The answer is 7. The reason I picked this question is because, not because it's hard, everyone can do it, is because of structure. That's a big part of calculation. How you set it up, and you gotta have patience. The reason that I'm so good at math is because I used to be lazy. Like, I found the quickest way of doing everything, right? So one thing that I can tell you, structure is important. Have patience until the end, and then calculate. So I'm gonna set up number 3. What is the value of 25% of 14 plus 14% of 25, right? Another pro tip is, some of you probably are used with this idea. 25% of 14 and 14% of 25. Set it up this way, then calculate, and be done with it, right? 99% of the time, decimals are not recommended to be used on a standardized test. Use fractions. Why? Because you can simplify. It's hard to simplify when you're dealing with decimals. Then you should notice here, this is identical to this, right? They're both 25 times 14 over 100, 25 times 14 over 100. So if I have two things that are the same that are being added, I can rewrite it as 2 times the thing that I'm adding, right? Like x plus x is 2x. So it's 2 times 25 over 100 times 14 over 1. That's the structure that I'm talking about. Instead of going right into the calculation here, because it's easy, everybody can do it, you don't have infinite time, right? And now it's just a canceling party. 225 is 50, cancel with 100, which is 2. 214 is 7. The answer is 7. So almost everyone got this right from the chat, but not everyone probably did it the right way.